Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the pen from Pune and right now I'm at SK with my newly painted Xplorer, and there was an issue with the front suspension. One right side was leaking. I don't know how and when it started leaking, but it was bad, and I mean it almost started leaking, and we could see dirty oil on the suspension. So I thought as well I'll get it at SK Auto Care and get it fixed ASAP before it spreads further and before there's any damage to the inner pipe also. So the process is already started. Let me show you what all things are being done. So those who are new on my channel, this is my 2019 Dominar and it has clocked how many kilometers? 16,990, and I think the right side fork oil seal went bad approximately one and a month ago. Wow, who's that and why? There was some problem with the bike that has come out, which is stopping at a little, at a RPM at 3000 or 4500 or something. So Sushant was revving the engine just to check that. Anyways, we have removed the oil from one of the pipes, and this is the condition of the oil. It's quite bad, and we have yet to remove the second pipe. I think this is the pipe that was bad. No, this pipe is good. This pipe was bad. This oil seal was bad, so we've removed that. I don't have a photo unfortunately to show how bad that was. Removing the first oil seal. Dust cover is removed. ये first oil seal है कि second है? ये दोनों है क्या? दोनों मिलके? First और ये second. अच्छा. So this is the dust cap. हाँ, यही गंदा वाला है. तो यही साइड का था ना. So this is the dirty one. This was the damaged one that was. धुलने का है. Stealing some petrol because we need to clean the pipes. We need to remove all the dirt from inside the pipes. These are our new oil seals. 36JU0019. 417 per set. One dust cap, one oil seal, one dust cap, one oil seal, one for left, one for right, and you're going to be putting this motul oil, which is 10W, and I don't think so there's any other specification, but Sushant buys it in bulk because he requires this very frequently. So the whole outer tube right now is being washed, cleaned with petrol. Using petrol here because petrol cleans in really nice. This is the inner tube that is being washed right now, cleaned. That was easy peasy. Assembling the fork again. We've put the O-ring first. Putting the first oil seal inside and using the old oil seal to push it inside. Now we'll hammer it a bit. ये lock है उसका. So this is the lock for it. Dust cap, and one side is almost ready. External dust cover, and it's almost assembled. Now we need to put the pipe and the oil. Pipe going inside, and we can now see the piston from the top. 400 ml Motul 10W going inside. Removing the oil from the other fork.
निकलेगा
नहीं, वो खोलना ही पड़ेगा ना पिस्टन. सॉरी, दिस इज द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फोक. इसमें लीक नहीं था, लीक इसमें था. ये गंदगी है. ऑल दिस वाइल मैंने स्वैप कर दिया, गलत बता दिया. सो दैट इज़ नॉट द वन साइड दैट वाज लीकिंग, दिस वाज द साइड दैट इज़ लीकिंग. हाँ, ग्रीन येलोइश ऐसे कलर लग रहा है जो काला हो गया है. दिस इज द अदर फोक. And you can see the dirt leakage Removing the dust cap, the outer dust cap, then the internal dust cap. Quite tight. Oops. And that's the bad oil seal. This doesn't come out easily. You have to push little from all four sides. Next, cleaning process with power petrol. So I had filled power petrol yesterday and we made fun out of it that it's power petrol, so it will get cleaned faster and all. Cleaned and dried out completely now. And now the oil seal first. Hammer it with the old oil seal in between. Now the dust cover. Sorry, first the, इसको क्या बोलते हैं मैं भूल गया, lock pin. It's sat perfectly in its place. And now the internal dust cover. Now the external dust cover, उसको clean नहीं किया है. So cleaning the inner pipe with power petrol again. So there are vertical scratches on the outer pipe, inner pipe. We are using the same inner pipe as of now, but after 6-8 months it will start leaking again. That time I'll get this pipe completely changed. So Sushant says right now the cost for this pipe is 3,500. Oil going inside. $400 ml, again Motul 10W. Fork bolts and all are tightened, nuts and all are tightened, and one is already going inside. One is being installed inside, so since I have the Xplorer kit, I don't have to remove anything else. Final assembly, wheel is gone inside, brakes have gone inside, disc has gone inside, mudguard is just getting assembled, and then we'll do a bit of wash because yesterday it rained in Pune, and this is the condition of the bike after just getting painted and assembled. Final stage washing because the bike got dirty in rains yesterday. Today is what? Friday 17th March. So 15th and 16th it rained heavily in Pune. So this is my final bill, 1849. The bike is home, rode back, and कुछ issue नहीं आया रास्ते में. Work done is perfect enough. Just that I'll have to take care of this right side very soon because this was the side that was leaking. This one was alright, there was nothing over here, and right now also the fitting and everything is fine. So with that said, I'll end the vlog here. Let me know if you have any questions. Sushant's contact and location will be in the video description if you want to visit him for the similar work. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon. Like, share, subscribe.